Hartman Adventures at them, man. Late evening. About to go do some casting this evening, guys. So sun almost gone down now. It's some minutes after 5. But just wanted to come out this evening. I felt to do some fishing. So wow, this mud right here is really soft because they had some tractors working here today, so that mud is very soft. Look at my shoes. Whoa. Check out that sunset. Wow, that is absolutely stunning. That's beautiful, very beautiful. Right, let's see what we're going to get. Don't know if I can find a barracuda or something. Yeah, some evening time casting, guys. It's been a while since I caught a nice barracuda, so I wouldn't mind catching one this evening. Wouldn't mind catching a nice barracuda this evening. It's been a good while now since I caught one. Haven't really gone hunting for any, but still been a long time since I caught one. So let's see if we can get any hook up this evening. I'm using this very small lure. It's red. I went in town recently and I saw this in the store. It was the only one like this in red, so just decided that I would grab it. The water here is not very deep and it's very grassy, so hopefully I don't get any snags this evening. Wow, look at that sunset. Whoa! Jeez, man. Have to get my phone and take a picture of that. Ah. Got a small barra. Small barracuda. Hartman Adventures out here, so small barracuda, guys. Whoa. It's hooked real good. Here he is, guys. I have to get my pliers to take these hooks out. don't really want him to flash it in me, so I'm gonna leave him in the water for now. Don't want him to die either, so just gonna leave him in the water, see if I can get my pliers and get the hooks out. Come here, buddy. Give this lure a good whack. Not gonna keep this one, it's too small, so wow. No. Oh man, there it goes. There it goes. He's gone. Might have to change my leader line because this leader line feels very cut up. Want to go over to that rock over there, but I honestly did not want to wet my shoes up. Whoa, where can I walk? Doesn't seem like I'll be able to get over there because I really don't want to wet up my shoes. I have my slippers in my car just in case my shoes get wet, but still don't want to wet up my shoes. And that's it for sun. It's pretty much gone, almost behind the horizon right now. It's gonna start getting dark real quick. Once that sun goes down behind the horizon, it's gonna get really dark. Got a snag just now. Yes. That's it for sunset. And I think that's going to be it for light. Lighting on these cameras are going to be really low from this point on, so if I even catch anything, don't know if you guys will be able to see it very well. just a lot of grass in here.